After being deadlocked in Congress for much of the summer and fall, a new trade deal with Canada and Mexico is moving forward after winning approval from House Democrats.
A vote in the House will come next week and sometime in the Senate next year. It is a victory for President Trump after months of negotiations to revise NAFTA, which was a campaign promise he made when he ran in 2016. Business leaders say the deal is critical to cross-border manufacturing and trade here in the North Country.
What we had to fear as we came up to the end of this year was the possibility of this somehow going off the rails. Somehow the House deciding it wasn't going to agree, that this wasn't going to happen this year, and entering into the new year with Canadian business once again saying, well, what if they don't approve this? What if the White House maybe goes back and starts saying they want to cancel NAFTA if they don't have the new agreement? You know, the what ifs become scary for business. So at the end of the day, what is most satisfying for us is the fact that it's done. It's negotiated, it's approved, the House is on board.
The trade deal will replace NAFTA when ratified. Canada and Mexico also have to sign off on the changes approved this week by Democrats. Some of the provisions in the deal, a greater percentage of parts used to build cars and trucks, will need to originate in North America to avoid duties. And it also gives U.S. dairy farmers more access to Canada.